Hello, class. My name is Alexis Jones, and I will be presenting three of my favorite famous paintings. My first favorite painting is The Last Supper, a 15th century painting by Leonardo da Vinci. The style is a 15th century mural painting. The medium is a temporal and oil on gesso. Da Vinci started working on this painting in 1495, and he finished in 1498. Da Vinci created his own technique, which was using temporal paints instead of frescoes, which is the traditional technique, but he felt that that technique makes the painter rush their work because it dries fast. I like this painting because it tells a story, which is the final meal Jesus shared with his apostles in Jerusalem before his crucifixion. This painting is 15 feet by 29 feet. The painting is actually bigger than what people envision. My second favorite painting is The Birth of Venus, a nude painting by a French artist named Alexandre Cabanel. It was created in 1863. This painting resides in a museum in Paris. This painting was purchased by Napoleon III, which he added to his collection of art. The medium is an oil on canvas. The style is an 18th century style of painting. I like this painting because it's beautiful. I like the choice of bright colors, which gives an impression of the color of skin. I like how detailed the painting is, which makes it look surreal. I like how the angels are hovering over the woman. My last and most favorite painting is The Scream by Edvard Munch, which is an artist who struggled with anxiety and insanity. This painting was created in 1893. And at the time when he was creating this painting, his sister was mentally ill and she was hospitalized. The medium of this painting is oil, temporal, and pastel on cardboard. The style is modern. I like this painting because of the expressionistic colors and the bright swirling in the sky. I am a fan of colors when it comes to paintings or anything dealing with art. Another reason why this is my favorite child Another reason why this is my favorite painting because it brings back childhood memories when I first was introduced to this painting in elementary school. All right, that is the end of my presentation. Thank you guys so much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating. Thank you.